how to add action button to Facebook page. So first things first, just switch to your Facebook page. Click on this arrow down option and then switch to your Facebook page. Once you have done that, go right here to your account profile, and then from in there, you can see in here an option called add action button. If you can see it, click on these three dots, and then after that, just click on this add action button and then click on this edit button and then choose in here an option or button that you want. For example, just click on this view shop and then you can set up your Facebook shop on here. You can also link a website. You can connect another tool. You can click on this learn more right here, or you can also choose in here a call option if you want. Now, what you can do is you can just choose one and then from in there, just make sure to choose which one you want to add for this. So let me head over and choose an email option. Then after that, click on the save option and then I should be able to have that button onto my page. So that's how you add action button to Facebook. Hope we help.